What's up guys? So in the last tutorial we saw how to post and get the data from our API. In this tutorial we're just going to delete a single room from our web app. So to make the video quicker, I copied some code for model from online, and this should I'll make this code available into GitHub. So we're going to put this straight after our room. So we're just going to put it here. It should work straight away without any configuration for the delete button. So let's go ahead and try it. So let's go ahead and refresh. Yeah. So once we hit the delete, we will delete the room from our system. So yeah, first we need to have a method. So let's try to method. Okay. So in the method, we're going to declare delete data. So in this method, we're going to pass the room details and ID that we want to delete. So then what we can do, we can just do axios.delete. Do we import axios? Yes, yes. So then we import this from, we're going to go and grab the linker from here, even though it's always the same, no change. So just go ahead and paste it here. Once you also want to do a backslash here, you also want to add the ID as your method. This ID. So because as we tested before our API, once we put the linker with the rooms in the slash plus the ID, it will delete a specific room with a specific ID. So we can do this, and I believe it should work. Then we do .then, response to this dot room details dot splice, and we want to do the index, and we want to do what? Missing anything? Okay. And after this, we want to refresh the page, so we can do window location dot reload, and this will refresh the page. And then the last thing that we need on button deleter, we need to call that method, and we need to make a click. Literally the same method as this. On click, I want data, and then I need to pass a room. So it's the same alias as we're doing here. So we're doing the room, and also we need to pass a room dot underscore ID. And then that should be it, I think. Let's try to do it. Okay, fucked up something. Something doesn't work. Property method of form is not defined in the instance. Okay, where is it? But this. Oh, I think because I didn't put inside the diff. Yeah, I need to put inside the diff. Inside the diff. Let's try again. Oh, it didn't delete. Oh, now it did. Okay. So I had a little error into my model. Every time I was pressing the delete button, it was keep giving him many models, as many rooms as I have. So say for example I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It was giving me 6 models on top of each other because I had the model inside the for loop. So I couldn't figure out the problem because I had only 1 or 2 rooms, so I didn't really see the problem, and it was deleting me some random index. But before I had only 1 or 2, so it was fine. So I didn't say. So now I just put the model outside the for loop. So the for loop is here, and I just put the model here. So once I click on delete, what it will do, it will pass the room from that is the alias, and then it will pass me the ID of the room to this method to delete, and then it will show the model into here, and then it will assign the two variables from the method into those two variables, and then from the model it will click on delete data, and delete data will pass the two variables that are stored from here. I'm pretty sure there is a better way around it, but this is how I did it for now. So I will make this code available also for GitHub, so you can go ahead and check how I did it and how you can do it. You can definitely do it this model as a different component, but as I said, this is just like a quick way to do it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I just call this method, and this method will basically assign the variables to those two variables, and then from the model I'll basically just code those two variables and delete the room. So once again, I can show you quickly how it all works. So I got this. I want to delete Luke Ross. So yeah. So Luke Ross is not here anymore. Same on the back end. Yeah. So yeah, I want to delete Daniel Smith. Yeah. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Keep deleting. So as I said before, I couldn't figure out, like, because it was two models on top of each other, and it was deleting some random index of my for loop. So thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe. I will carry on with this on adding things on the hotel. So maybe I can undo some authentication using passport, but this will be on the next video. So what we can do in the next video, we can make the admin can add some other user that they can use the hotel system. So I'll try to figure out some nice stuff to do with the passport. So just keep in touch and see you next time. Thank you.